Well, that's not something you see every day. Maybe we should hunker down over here a little. Yeah! Holy crap! That is amazing! That is just simply amazing. Yeah, look at that result. Bam! There we go. The fruits of our labor. That is the biggest avalanche I've ever seen. Can you smell that? We're good. This is. What do you think, MJ?
Pretty big smell. Pretty big smell.
Officially close. Hey, this looks like it came from Tunnel Creek. Holy crap. Way up there.
Some of you may recognize these.
There goes Mike. Giving it his best here. Building a road. Up and over the biggest pile of slide debris that I've ever seen in my 26 eventful years. Destruction, like as far as the eye can see around here. What's up, MJ? Yeah, 50 feet of snow there. Some big trees, and yeah, that's the highway way down there. That's a loader. That gives you a faster scale there. I'm gonna walk up this ridge here and try to get over to the cat over there. Nuts. Making like thousands and thousands and thousands of tons of snow and 3-foot diameter trees and giant rocks, and it's just the most amazing thing I've seen in a long time. This stuff is snow, and it's harder than rock, and it's like just reeking of pine sol. Because it just ripped all these trees to shreds. Incredible. There's Marty over there scouting the road. Mike Stanford making it happen, and the cat. Pretty damn impressive. Got his wingman John over there. We're gonna go check in with those guys, see what the story is. MJ's doing his part to clear the road. Once you get that one out, dude, you just gotta get the rest of that. That's nuts. I can't even get it all in the frame. 30 feet. Gotta be.